we're on round 2 of the RPM Tesla upgrades, and this round we are upgrading the stock lighting in the car to the RPM Tesla's upgraded, much brighter lighting. Now I got my phone up with some specs here. The standard OEM lights, such as the floor lights, the puddle lights, trunk lights, and frunk lights, are only about 25 lux, and they all have just a single LED. Whereas the RPM Tesla's LEDs are, not counting the logoed ghost light, but the other standards are 550 lux and have 6 LEDs in them. Draw a maximum of 5 watts of power each, so it's pittance. Minor power draw for considerably more light. So obviously we're going to install them during the day. It's daytime now. I got my sunshade up so you can actually see in my car. It's really bright out. But what better time to install them than in the nice warm sunshine, especially when it's literally freezing outside. And then we'll come back tonight and see just how bright these buggers are. So let's start with the puddle lights. We'll start with the ghost light, which when the doors open, these are for the front doors, will project a bright Model or S Tesla on the ground. And then we'll install the regular upgrade kit. There's 5 lights here, and these will go on, such as the floor, in the trunk, and in the frunk to brighten that all up. And then some red accent lights to go, such as on the back of the doors when you open the doors up. So let's get those all installed. The only tool that's required is flathead screwdriver, and then you're going to want to wrap the tip of your flathead screwdriver with some masking tape or electrical tape or duct tape, just a little bit, to keep it from damaging anything. And basically all this is used for is insert it into the light, and a small little pop pops the lights right out. So let's do that, and we'll take a look, see what we got tonight. And I will say the stock lighting on the Tesla cars is seriously lacking. So let's fix that.
Now I'm craving things that I should crave.
finally nighttime. Here's the car. Let's unlock. Ooh, okay. Well, let's start with the frunk and take a peek at how bright. Holy mackerel, that's freaking bright. Look at that. Wow. Nice. Oh man, that's bright, bright, bright. Another side effect is it also charges up the emergency button a bit. Let's go around passenger side here. Ready, set, and holy moly. Had to cut the sound there at the stereo on. I ran. So we got the Tesla S. That is pretty darn bright. And then we have, holy crap, let's see. Look how bright that's lighting up. I mean, that barely lit up anything before. I mean, I'm lighting up my whole driveway just from this light. And then there is the floor light. Holy crap. Here's the rear. Now, I did the red light on the rear. I did not do the puddle light on the rear. So that's the stock puddle light. Just to give you an example, puddle light, stock, single LED, S, single LED. I mean, there's still single LEDs. They had to go with a single LED for the S because it's, you know, projection, and they had to have a lens, blah, blah, blah. But look at that. Look how bright that is. Holy crap. Check out the trunk. Holy crap, I can actually see the inside of my trunk. Wow. Okay, oh yeah. Alright, so this one up here is stock. Okay, stock. Aftermarket. Stock. Not bright. Aftermarket blinding. Okay. Driver's rear. Okay, this is just, once again, this is just the red light. Probably doesn't show on the camera, but I can now visibly walk down the walkway on the side of my garage without a flashlight. Holy moly. And drivers. The wife likes the S. The S is actually really bright. So, get two of these open here. And I mean, that's really, really good. And then we got the puddle light. I mean, this is, man, I've been driving a Model S for a couple months short of 5 years. Holy crap, Tesla, what the heck is wrong with you guys with those dinky little dim lights you got? This is freaking awesome. But I'm definitely gonna do brighter puddle lights. I gotta replace the stocks, but on the rear. But look at this. Look at that. Look how bright that is. Look at that. Look at that. Holy crap! And that's just two of them. Replace that one with these buggers. Holy crap! This is awesome. Definitely worth it.